Good afternoon, folks. It's about time to write a fun song for my vacation. So I came up with a song, folks. The title is Seagulls in the Sky, and I'm going to sing it for you to see how it goes. Here it is. I came to the beach for a little peace, but I saw an old man with birds at his feet. He whistled a tune they took to the air, making shapes in the sky. I couldn't help but stare. He said, "These aren't just birds, they my new crew. They put on a show just for you." I laughed it off, thought he was wild, but then the seagull made a heart and I smiled. Seagull in the sky, flying so high, make me wonder, I'm saying goodbye. Captain Gold's got a trick or two, with a whistle and a wing, they know just what to do. Seagull in the sky, yeah, I can't deny. They stealing my heart like it's a piece of pie. Oh, seagulls in the sky, Captain Gold, you one funny guy. The next thing I knew, they bringing me shells, dropping them down like some magic spell. Captain Gold smiled, said they are yours. These birds are loyal, they never ignore. I thought I'd be lounging, just catching some rays, but here I am with my new feather mates. You knew the beast has such a surprise, with seagulls spelling names in the sky. Seagulls in the sky, flying so high, make me wonder, are they saying goodbye? Captain Gold's got a trick or two, with a whistle and a wing, they know just what to do. Seagulls in the sky, yeah, I can't deny. They stealing my heart just like a piece of pie. Oh, seagulls in the sky, Captain Gold, you one funny guy. Now every time I hear a bird call, I think of Captain Gold and the world standing tall. Maybe they flying just to say hey, or delivering seashells to brighten my day. Seagulls in the sky, oh, seagull in the sky, Captain Gold, you've got my heart, oh why, oh why. Seagull in the sky, flying high, oh fly high. That's it, folks. Seagulls in the sky. For my next vacation, the beach is where I'm going to hang out. Check out those seagulls.